Quik system is an electronic tool that we utilize here at the dealership, and what it does is allows us to take videos of things that we find on a truck and be able to send it to the customer so they can see exactly what the technician is seeing.
The reason we decided to install Quik at our dealership was really just to provide a better service for our customers. We wanted to show them everything that was going on with their vehicle when they came in.
Video gets sent to the customer by us on the floor with a shop cell phone, and we actually record a video of the unit. And once that video is recorded, we send it to the service advisor, and it's put on a program called Decisive, and the customer can actually go on there and watch the video and see it firsthand without being in the shop.
The Quik system is easy to use. When we bring the truck in, we address the primary concern that the customer has, and then we do a quick video of additional problems that we've found. It's allowed us to communicate more quickly and effectively with the customers and get approvals quicker.
We have seen a great reduction in dwell time using Quik. It provides the customer an update quicker, and it gives them a chance to decide what they're going to do with that load of that driver a lot sooner. Unfortunately, in our industry, there's a little bit of a trust factor there when you tell a customer, hey, this is leaking or this isn't leaking. When you have a video, it provides them an opportunity to really crawl underneath the truck with you without having to get underneath the truck with you.
Customers, when they receive the Quik videos, they're really blown away because nobody else in the industry is doing it. I know it's in the automotive world, and I believe we are the first to bring it to the industrial world. And then again, it allows them to be in our shop with their trucks, and majority of these owners haven't seen these trucks in months, where these trucks are over the road, and a lot of trust is there between the dealers that are performing the service and the drivers that are driving the trucks.
I do think the Quik system builds trust because it shows the customer through the video what is exactly wrong with the truck, and they're not just taking our word for it and thinking that we're just trying to upsell them something. They can actually see the issues with it.
My customers, they say they love it. They go to other dealerships around the country and they don't get the service that we're able to provide with the Quik video. What it does is it truly lets them be in tune with the repair process that their truck needs.
For us, we call Quik a visual tool, a helper. The biggest piece is we call it a trust builder because it really does build trust with our customers.